In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to delete or close your Stake.com account. Begin by visiting the Stake.com website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, scroll down to the footer of the website and look for the links on the right side and click on the option labeled Self-Exclusion. Read through the exclusion options provided by Chapter 9, which include 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, or permanent exclusion, which is account deletion. After reviewing the options, write an email to the customer support of Stake.com. Add support@stake.com. In the email, request the deletion of your account. Upon receiving email, Stake.com will disable your account for a 24 hours cooling off period. After cooling off period, you will receive available self-exclusion options. Respond to the email request for a permanent exclusion for your account. And once you've requested a permanent deletion, your account will be closed. And if you do not respond within 24 hours, your account will be reopened and you'll be notified via email. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.